modeling. In the predictive modeling, the system is trained, the data mining tool is trained. Depending upon their credits, you can believe the people, whether he is the fraud or whether he is a good person. According to that, you can rate him. Okay, so this is what the predictive modeling. So it takes the unknown things. So maybe depend upon the trained model, it predict whether this person when he comes for the shopping or when he come to the business center, will ask what is your qualification, whether you are employed or not. So if he is employed and he is staying in the same place more than 3 years, we can believe him. Okay, so this is what the predictive modeling. So it predicts the unknown things by making use of the trained model. That is what we can call it as the data mining tool. So classification example, as I told, this system is the trained one. Okay, this is the unknown one. That is what we can call it as the test set. So whenever the test set come to the system, it has been compared with the trained model. So training set. So these are the things. It is already trained to the system, or this information is already available with the data mining tool. So it predicts the unknown data which is coming to the system, which makes the model. So learn classifier. So it know how to classify these things. The classify means whether the person can be believed or person can be the fraud. Okay, this is what you can call it as a classifications. Okay, so this is the one example for the classification. So anything, as I told, no, if I am there in the image, okay, so my image is not trained to the system, that is a data mining or artificial intelligence. So it cannot predict me. So it cannot recognize. Even though I am there in the image, it cannot recognize because it don't know about. It do not have any information about me. That's what it is not predicting. Okay. So for example, one person is the fraud person. If he is there in the image and it has already trained by the police department, so it can be easily recognized. Some image captured by the cameras in the marketplace, if the particular person is there and it is already trained to the system, definitely, even though he is in the crowd, it can be recognized with the help of the advanced technology, what you can call it data mining or the artificial intelligence. So same thing here also, this is unknown. The first person is unknown. It checks whether this person is employed. Yes, undergraduate and is staying in one place more than 7 years. So it compares. So the undergraduate and our high school or undergraduate is staying more than 7 years or 10 years. So it is a yes. You can believe, worth to believe this fellow. Okay. So first person you can worth to believe, even though he is an undergraduate. So because I trained to the system, he is a worth person. Yes, employed, yes. So here also employed, yes. It is an unknown parameter. These are all the unknown parameter, and this is the trained parameter to the artificial intelligence system or the data mining tool. Okay, so it compares both the unknown parameter with the training set. So these are the training set. If matches, so then it predict, okay, he is a genuine person. You can believe him. Employed, second person, employed, no, and he is a graduate. So if he is a employed, if he is not employed, then we cannot believe. We cannot check other things also, because in the modeling, if the person is not employed, whether he is an undergraduate or the graduate, so he is not worth to believe. Okay, so that's what it is already trained. If he is a employed, okay, you can believe. You can check some of the parameters. If he is not employed, So directly he is not worth to believe. He is a person, you cannot believe him. Okay, his credit rating is not good. So even though he is a graduate, sorry. Even though he is a graduate and if he is not employed, so no means whether he is a graduate or undergraduate or high school person. So definitely his credit rating, you cannot believe this fellow. You cannot communicate with this fellow. Because sometimes what happens, graduate, they are very lazy, they don't want to do the job, they go to the bank for the loan. If he is unemployed, who will give the loan? Okay, so this is all compared with the train model. So in this system only, no employees required. If the tool is there, information is fed to the system, automatically it predict. Okay, so this is possible with the help of the classification example. So I have already shown about the classification as well as the cluster. Can anyone differentiate the classification and the cluster? Okay, cluster is a, for example, almost they look similar. Classification and the cluster. Classification is totally different and the cluster is totally different. So these tasks, these are all the tasks of the data mining. Cluster, what happens? No. So for example, animal is there, whether it is a goat or it is a what you can call it, a lion, or it is a tiger, it is a grouped in one place. So this is what you can call it, cluster. Whereas in the classification, so it segregates. Okay, so these are the domestic animal and these are the non-domestic animal. So this is how we can differentiate classification and the clusters. So birds means, so different types of the bird comes. Okay, so maybe hen is there. Okay, you can take crow. Okay, you can take nightingale. So these are all comes in under the birds. So this is what the cluster. Whereas classification, it segregates these birds. Okay, so this is the bird crow. These are the group of the crows. Okay, so this group is a crow group. So this group is a, what you can call it as a the peacocks. Okay, so this is what you can call it as a classifications. So example of the classification task. So these are the some example for the classification. Classifying credit card, as I told, a transaction as legitimate or fraudulent. Classifying land covers, as I told, satellite image are taken, land image taken. So in the land image, we have lot of informations are available. To segregate these informations, we had already trained. The blue patches are there in the satellite image. It predict it as a water bodies. Green patches are there because I trained the green patches as a it is a forest area. So it predict the particular spot or the patch as a, it is a forest. Okay, so like that we can this tool can be used categorizing news stories as finance, weather, entertainment, sports. So the classification also help for the news people or the press people. Identifying the intruders in the cyberspace. This is also possible with the help of the classification task of the data mining. Predicting tumor cells as begin or benign or the malignant. You can differentiate. Classifying the secondary structure of the protein as alpha helix, beta sheet, or random coils. So these examples I will, whenever necessary, I will peep into detail. Okay, so these are the content behind the syllabus. Actually, for your syllabus, the applications are not there. But in order to help for the placement, so we need to cover the content behind the syllabus also. The classification application, one or two applications of this classification is a predict fraudulent cases in the credit card transactions. So in this case, it use credit card transactions and informations on its account holder as attributes. When does customer buy? What does he buy? How oftenly he pays on time? So all these things are recorded. Label past transaction as fraud or fair transactions. This forms the class attributes. Okay, so the classification also used for the fraud detection. The classification task of the data mining can be used mainly most of the time to detect the frauds. The classification task of the data mining is used. So this is the one example to predict the whether customer is likely to be lost to a competitor. Okay, so because in the market so much competition is there, if they lost, if the customer is going from one bank to the other bank, or he is going from one service provider, switching from one service provider to the other service provider, so they can classify such a people also. Why he is switching from this service provider to the other service provider? What's benefit he is getting if he switch to the other service provider, if he switch to the other bank? This can also be classified with the help of the data mining tool. Sky survey cataloging is also possible. Predict class of sky object, especially visually paint ones based on the telescopic survey images. So this is the image which we are using in the case of the classifying the galaxies. So this is the image in the early stage of the forming galaxy. So this is the image, the intermediate. This is all possible. Otherwise, no. So in the earlier days, there is no classification, no data mining tool. So they were unable to detect their early stage, intermediate stage, how it will be when it is losing, when it is in the last stage, how the galaxy looks. So this is all possible with the help of the classification task.